We will be discussing human organ system. One part, one mouth. The organ digestion system in which both chemical and physical digestion takes place in the mouth. The mouth consists of chest, lips, teeth, tongue, etc. Mechanical digestion in the mouth result from chewing, learning, and crushing by teeth, which help food to get easily mixed with saliva. Saliva starts the chemical digestion of carbohydrates. Stretch as a result, food is reduced to a soft and flexible, semi-solid and called bolus, easily swallowed by tongue and move to bird esophagus. Part 2, esophagus. Esophagus act as a pathway and transport the food from pharynx to stomach. Bolus is pushed from esophagus by a valve like pattern movement. No digestion takes place here. Part 3, stomach. From the esophagus, bolus enters into stomach. Stomach is a J-shaped muscular bag. The walls of the stomach release gastric juice. This juice contains an acid called hydrogen acid HCl. Water and the enzyme convert the large protein molecule in the small molecules. HCl softens the food and also kills the germs which are present in the food. Thank you. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Wait for my new video. Thank you.